I'm Tessie, and I'm here today reviewing the Blackweb 1080p dash cam for 1977. It's just about the cutest little gadget ever, and I cannot pass it up. To install it on your dash or your windshield, you simply stick this part on, and then you flip the lever and it sticks onto your windshield. You can also take the camera itself off. Like, there are two pieces. Just slide it back on. This camera is 1080p. It records at 30 frames per second. It's not the smoothest recording ever, but for 1977, it's pretty good. I've been driving around town recording with it, and I have just been so amazed and happy at what this tiny little cute camera can do. It takes a micro SD card, and it can take up to a 32 gig. The recording can loop on the card so that once the card is full, it will record over what you have on the card. It'll just keep recording.